Jack Doherty, YouTuber, clout junkie, financial black hole. And today we're doing what his accountants are too scared to do, out of this man's brain in real time. Welcome back to Big Bro Accounting, where we react with receipts and drop savage financial reality checks on creators who treat liability like it's content. Let's talk about Jack's $200,000 McLaren that met the guardrail like it was sponsored by Geico. Bro was texting and driving on livestream like the IRS wouldn't be watching with popcorn. Newsflash, if your content creates public liability and damages, you might just be creating taxable nightmares. Was it financed? Was it leased? Either way, depreciation never hits as hard as the front end of that car did. And on his recent YouTube channels, he keeps posting his most recent crashes in all of his cars like it is a publicity stunt. But it gets worse. After Jack wrecked his McLaren, he reportedly handed his bleeding friend the camera and told him to keep filming. That's not content, that's a lawsuit with a thumbnail. If this man didn't have liability insurance or proper business entity protecting him, he's one hospital bill away from bankruptcy. Big bro tip, if your cameraman needs stitches, your liability just went from content to court case. Next up, Jack's connection to promoting underage or barely verified girls into OnlyFans. First of all, that's disgusting. Second of all, this isn't just normal moral rot, it's financial suicide. You start profiting from that kind of content, say goodbye to sponsors, platforms, and any hope of real brand longevity. At this point, Jack's portfolio isn't diversified, it's demonetized. Jack's brand is I made it out the mud. But let's be real, he's not teaching you how to build wealth, he's showing you how to burn it on camera for views. His fake Mr. Beast style giveaways where winners never get paid, fake business ventures like drop shipping and clothing brands. From an accountant's perspective, that's not flexing, that's financial self-harm in 4K. You never see tax planning, budgeting, or actual business breakdowns, just staged handouts and rented toys. It's all hype, no financial literacy, which means his fans are being sold a lifestyle that doesn't scale, unless you're farming content off your friend's hospital visit. He's flexing thousands in cars, but can't manage his personal life. His ex-girlfriend breaks up with him, being so scared she needs to have the police with her to gather her belongings, and this dumbass is live streaming it. That's the kind of tragedy that doesn't hit the paid partnership filter.
Like, what the fuck? I can't believe what's happening right now. Girls are the fake that you guys wouldn't even believe it.
Yo, who is this though? I need to know.
Yes, you usually wouldn't answer me. You called the cops before you fucking talked to your boyfriend? Are you kidding me? Like, how the fuck are you doing that? But I didn't. I just wanted to talk to you. That's it. So you wouldn't answer me, bro. Are you fucking kidding me? You gotta get out of my house. I didn't say you can come in.
She's letting us in.
She doesn't own this house. I didn't say you can come in my house.
Her address is
I don't
on
care.
here. She's a resident here.
I don't care. You
We're
guys
not
aren't
here to
allowed
do
in my
it.
house.
We're not here to have a hard
You guys
time.
aren't allowed in my house. I'm sorry.
She lives here.
Who gave you?
She did.
She doesn't. Bro, you called the cops on me in my own fucking house after I've done everything for you. I didn't threaten you, bro.
This is her house.
She doesn't pay for it. I'm sorry.
Doesn't matter.
It's not your house.
Doesn't matter.
Dude, who the fuck is this bitch? You get the fuck out of my house, bitch.
No,
yeah,
Jack,
stay the fuck out of my house. Get the fuck out. Get out.
Stop.
Stay, tell her to get the fuck out of the house.
No, it's my
Not
friend.
that. Get this stupid ass bitch out of here.
He's living in a $3.4 million house, financed by clicks, drama, and cheap stunts. But who pays the water bill when you get banned? Big Bro says, if you bought a house that costs more than most people make in their lifetime, you better have more than flex videos as your revenue plan. Jack walks into malls like he's shopping for lawsuits. Provoking strangers and hiding behind his security is one thing.
I'm giving up my life of luxury.
You won't.
It's over. I'm giving up my life of luxury for a minimum wage job. All I want to do is have a good time for once in my life.
Josh, you're okay.
I'm deleting TikTok right now, okay? Once I get rid of it, I can never download it.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I deleted TikTok. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do?
All the people are like, bro, they're just staring at us, bro.
What do you want me to do? It's not downloading. I gotta jailbreak my phone. Yeah!
Dave.
Mustard? Disgusting! Somebody threw mustard.
Getting banned from Kick? That's your monetization pipeline going poof. No Kick, no Twitch, no YouTube sponsors. The kind of brand damage, not even QuickBooks can reconcile that. At this rate, Jack's gonna be the first in line asking Bonnie Blue for a refund on his own career. If Jack had invested even half of his energy into something like a Roth IRA instead of flexing foreign cars and flying women to Miami for clickbait, he could have coasted into his 30s with real wealth. Instead, he's speed running his way into legal fees, broken cars, and demonetization. This is your reminder: content might be king, but consequences is the accountant. This has been your friendly neighborhood big bro, reacting with receipts, one fool at a time. And write this off as entertainment. Stay savage, stay solvent.